Hello everybody, welcome back to Musings by Nikki. We're here for day 2 of our, here we are, our COVID-19 giveaway. We are here for day 2, drawing number 2. So, we're gonna go ahead and copy the URL here and plunk it into the comment picker, and we'll see. Yesterday we had 42. Today we have 59 comments. And remember, it's from the same video. So if you didn't win yesterday, watch right now because this could be you. You could win today. The only person that is excluded is the one who won yesterday. So let's see today. Let's see who's our winner. Candace Henderson. Candace had Candace had a really good response about what she's doing, crafting, napping, reading, and watching videos. I agree with all of that. And then she says that she doesn't know what people are doing with all the toilet paper, but she suspects that after this is over, there will be a lot of videos on crafty things to do with toilet paper. And she says lots of vases of toilet paper flowers will be coming our way, which is probably true. And lots of those, and then once you're done, lots of those nifty little, like toilet paper roll pockets and stuff that people are making. So yeah, thank you, Candace, for that wonderful idea. Lots and lots of vases full of toilet paper flowers coming our way. So Candace, go ahead and email me when you see that you've won. Down below will be my email address, and we will get you hooked up with your choice of the prizes. And a couple of things really quick. Somebody did mention that they didn't have access to a color printer, and so they don't really do digis. In that case, I thought that if that is you, if your name gets drawn and you don't have access to a printer or don't know how to do digis, I would give you the option of, that huge stack of printed out digis that we went through in the original video. I will give you a choice of that I would mail you some hard copies too. So if you don't have access to a printer, don't worry, we'll still get you hooked up and covered in digis. We'll just do it in a hard copy printed version. Secondly, when you watch this video, I am super, super enjoying all of the comments, and I'm trying to keep up with responding to everybody. This is really fun though. So somebody had asked, what are people doing? Because she said she was having a tough time getting all her steps in and stuff, since she's trying to be, socially responsible and stay indoors and stuff. So what are you guys doing to stay active during this? I know that a lot of us are crafting, and a lot of us are, some of you are saying that you're doing things like gardening, and that helps you get outdoors and stuff. But do you guys have any ideas, like creative ideas on staying active while we're being, stuck inside? And then keep in mind that there are a lot of people on here that I know, like myself, have fibromyalgia or other chronic illnesses. So what are you guys doing to try and stay active? Active is different for everybody. So I'd love to see that in the comments. And yeah, just keep chatting, guys. It's super fun. I would totally say that you should go read through some of the comments and responses from that original video, the original COVID-19 video that I did, my flip through of all my new ones, because there's a lot of really fun answers as to why the toilet paper thing, although no one really has a solid good idea, but apparently it's global. And so that's a thing everywhere. Like, I'm not kidding. We're hearing from all ends of the earth, even like Tasmania. Somebody from Tasmania was like, yep, here too. And let's see, I've heard from all different places in Europe. I've heard from Hawaii and all over the US and Australia, New Zealand, and Tasmania. And even someone in Singapore saying that, yep, it's a thing. It's a thing everywhere. So at least it's not just us, but that's almost weirder. I don't know. But anyway, so congratulations, Candace. And then everybody, watch out tomorrow at some point in the day on Monday. I will go ahead and make my drawing for day 3. But for right now, this is day 2. Candace, Candace, Candace. Congratulations. And I hope you guys are doing well. I hope no one's going insane yet. I hope crafting and happiness and connecting with us here is helping you stay sane and helping you stay creative and stay in the right part of your brain and enjoy this time indoors. And I will see you guys again tomorrow. So have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, middle of the night, whatever time it is, on whatever side of this wonderful globe of ours that you find yourself. And I will see you again tomorrow. Take care, guys. God bless. Bye-bye.